Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, hope everybody is good, right? Okay, today I am going to discuss one more concept, position of a point with respect to a circle. Position of a point with respect to a circle. Observe. Position of a point with respect to a circle. Suppose if S equals to 0 be a circle and P of x1 comma y1 be any point, then this notation S11 is greater than 0. If S11 is greater than 0, then the point P of x1 comma y1 must lies outside of the circle. If S11 greater than 0, then P of x1 comma y1 must lies outside of the circle. And if we come to second point, if this notation S11 equals to 0, if and only if this happened, this must be happened. If S11 equals to 0, then the point P of x1 comma y1 lies on the circle. It is lies on the circle. And suppose third statement is, if S11 is less than 0, if this is happened, this must be happened. If S11 is less than 0, then P of x1 comma y1 lies inside of the circle. In a brief way, I will explain you, right? Okay, observe carefully. Observe carefully. Here, according to this statement, here three cases arised. This is C, center of the circle, and P may be lies on the circle, inside of the circle, or outside of the circle. Three cases arised. First one, if P of x1 comma y1 lies outside, suppose P is in this position, P of x1 comma y1. Later I will take these coordinates of P. Chalo, what about CP distance and this radius? This distance is radius of the circle, right? And CP distance is more than the radius. If P is outside the circle, then CP distance is more than radius. Okay. And one more case, what it is? CB the center of the circle. If P lies on the circumference of the circle, CP distance is nothing but R. Here, CP distance equals to R. CP distance is equals to R. And third case, what? What is third case? This is center of the circle if P point lies inside of the circle. If P point lies inside of the circle, let us extend this length. This total distance is how much? Radius of the circle. In this case, what is the relation between CP and radius? CP is lesser than the radius. These are those three cases. Is it clear? If P be a point lies outside of the circle, then what is the distance relation between CP distance and the radius? CP conformably greater than R, right? Here, even if you squared on both sides, CP square is greater than R square, no? This is nothing but CP square minus R square is greater than 0. This is the condition. CP square minus R square is greater than 0. If you come to second case, if P lies on the circle, then what happens? CP equals to R. If you square on both sides, CP square equals to R square. That is nothing but CP square minus R square equals to 0. This is the condition if P lies on the circle. If we come to third case, if P lies inside of the circle, what is the relation between CP distance and radius of the circle? CP is conformably less than R. Even if you square on both sides, CP square is less than R square. This can be written as CP square minus R square is less than 0. This is the required condition. If you observe all these expressions, cp square minus r square is greater than 0, cp square minus r square equals to 0, cp square minus r square is less than 0. Only single expression depends. Our point lies outside of the circle, on the circle, inside of the circle. It is depending on only one expression, that is cp square minus r square. Actually, what is cp square minus r square? Let us find out. S is a circle, right? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, and center of the circle is C, that is minus g comma minus f, that you know well, and p with coordinates x1 comma y1, and radius of the circle, how much? Radius of the circle is g square plus f square minus c. This I have discussed in our previous sessions, right? If the general equation of circle is there, then center is minus g comma minus f, and radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. Are you clear? Right. Now have to confirm cp square minus r square is how much? Cp square, distance between these 2 points, whole square. Chalo, x1, distance between these 2 points is what? Under root, already square is there, no need to take under root, x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square minus r square means square root cancelled, g square plus f square minus c. What else? x1 square, and I am writing in a proper way, y1 square plus 2gx1 and 2fy1 plus g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus g square minus f square minus of minus plus c. That remains plus g square minus g square plus f square minus f square gets cancelled. Here it remains x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This cp square minus r square value is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This expression is nothing but, which represents which notation? S11. Cp square minus r square is nothing but S11. How do you get this S11? How do you get this S11? Simply, in S expression, if you substitute x1 point and y1 point, you will get. If you substitute, how do you get this S11? If you substitute x1, y1 point in S expression. What is S expression? This is no. S represents equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. If you substitute x1, y1 in place of x and y, this becomes x1 square, y1 square, 2gx1, 2fy1 plus c. So how do you obtain S11? If you substitute x1, y1 point in S notation, you will get the expression S11. Is it clear? Okay, let's go through examples. Okay, na? Okay, let's see. What's our question? The position of the point to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 is. This is S expression, no? Just simply consider this is expression S. What you need to confirm? S11. How do you get this S11? How do you get this S11? Simply substitute x1 comma y1 point. What is that? X1 comma y1 point. Simply that x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2. Chalo, x coordinate is 1 y coordinate is 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 into 1, right? X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2 plus 1. Conformly it is positive, no? All sum positive greater than 0. So if S11 greater than 0, what you can conclude? Given point lies outside of the circle. 1 comma 2 lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Okay, nice. Is it clear all of you? Is it clear all of you? Let's move on to next question. If a point A comma minus A lies inside the circle, this is yes. This is yes. You have to consider this is yes. Then A lies in which interval? Then A lies in which interval? Chalo. This is x1, y1 beta. Chalo, find out S11 first. S11. S of x1 comma y1. Then S of A comma minus A. Now substitute x coordinate replaced by A, y coordinate replaced by minus A. A square plus minus A whole square means again A square minus 4 into A minus 4A and plus 2 into minus A minus 2A minus 8. This is S11. S11 is 2A square minus 6A minus 8. Okay. S11 how much beta if you take 2 common out? A square minus 3A minus 4. Right? Now tell S11 is how much? S11 is equals to A square. S11 is 2 into A square minus 3A minus 4. What is given? According to given that this point A comma minus A lies inside of the circle. If that point lies inside of the circle, what is the condition? S11 is less than 0. What is S11? 2 into A square minus 3A minus 4 is less than 0. Bas. 2 is going to become 0. Then A square minus 3A minus 4 equals to, it is less than expression, no? Less than 0, and you can factorize this A plus 1 into A minus 1. Simple factorization. Are you remembered? A plus 1 into A minus 4. A into A square. A into minus 4 minus 4A. 1 into A plus A. Minus 4A plus A minus 3A plus 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Got it? Now it can be written as A minus of minus 1 into A minus 4 is less than 0. A minus of minus 1 into A minus 4 less than 0. Are you remembered? In quadratic equations and expressions, if alpha less than beta and x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than 0, then x lies in between alpha and beta. X lies in between alpha and beta. Here observe, alpha is minus 1, beta is plus 4. Alpha is minus 1, beta is plus 4. Then instead of x, what do you have? Instead of x you have a. Here you have a, right? Here you have a. Then a belongs to what? Alpha to beta means minus 1 to 4. A values lies in between minus 1 to plus 4. If this is only less than, no, if it is less than or equals to 0, we can take A belongs to closed bracket minus 1 to plus 4 closed. Is it clear? Is it clear? Simply first find out S11 value. How do you get this S11 value? Simply substitute x1, y1 in S expression. What is x1, y1 given? A and minus a. That I have substituted. So, in this S expression, x coordinate is replaced by a and y coordinate is replaced by minus a. That I have done. A square plus a square minus 4a minus 2a minus 8. Now it is simplified. S11 equals to 2a square minus 6a minus 8. If you take 2 common, 2 times of a square minus 3a minus 4. Okay. And according to given data, what he said, that given point is inside of the circle. What is the condition? S11 must be less than 0. That I have written S11 is less than 0, 2 times of a square minus 3a minus 4. This expression value known, that I have replaced less than 0 and factorized, simplified. Then a belongs to minus 1 comma 4. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Okay guys, let's move on to our next question, next concept with respect to a circle. That is power of a point with respect to a circle. Just before we discussed position of a point with respect to a circle, now we are going to discuss power of a point with respect to a circle. Let's observe the definition of power of a point with respect to a circle. Observe. If C is the center and R be the radius of a circle and let P be any point in the plane of a circle, then the value, what is that value? Then the value Cp square minus R square. The value Cp square minus R square. This expression Cp square minus R square is called power of a point with respect to a circle. And you know well, Cp square minus R square value is how much? Cp square minus R square value is how much? Yes, you are right. What is it? What is it? S11, sir. Absolutely right. Chalo. That is power of a point P with respect to the circle S equals to 0 is Cp square minus R square. That is nothing but S11. That is nothing but S11. Okay. Means power of a point and position of a point, same expression. That is S11 only. Position of a point. If it is positive, that point lies outside of the circle. If that value is 0, S11 value 0, P lies on the circle. If S11 value less than 0, that point lies inside of the circle. But here, this value is called, that value whatever it may be, it may be positive value or negative value or 0. That represents power of a point with respect to the circle. And one more definition is there here. That is, if a secant line, this is called secant line. It is passing through P and cuts the circle in any 2 points capital A and capital B. This is a secant line. It is passing through the point P and it cuts the circle in A and B points. Then the product PA into PB is called PA into PB, also called power of a point P with respect to circle S equals to 0. Is it clear? Both definitions we have, and you have to merge both the definitions. See, Cp square minus R square also called power of a point, and here PA into PB also called power of a point. So our conclusion is Cp square minus R square represents power of a point with respect to a circle, and also PA into PB also represents power of a point with respect to a circle. These two expression value is nothing but S11. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Right. That's nice. Let's rock on. Okay, let's see one example of a point concept, power of a point concept. Power of a point, the power of a point P of 1 comma 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0 is, which expression represents power of a point? S11. Chalo, find out. S11. How do you get S of x1 comma y1? Given point is x1 comma y1. S of 1 comma 2. Simply, this is yes, no? This is yes. In this, substitute 1 comma 2, x coordinate replaced by 1, y coordinate replaced by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 2 plus 3. How much it is? 1 plus 4 plus 2 minus 8 plus 3. How much beta? 1 plus 3, 4. 4. 8 cancelled. 2. 2 is the answer. That is power of a point. It may be positive or negative or 0. Okay na? Power of a point may be positive or negative or 0. Okay. Let's come to, this is over. Let's come to our second question. Model is changed. Don't get confused. If a secant line passes through the point P of 1 comma 3, curves the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 at A and B, then AP into PB is how much? AP into PB is how much? This is nothing but PA into PB, no? This is nothing but PA into PB. Both expressions are same. This PA into PB is nothing but power of a point with respect to a circle. That is what? S11 only. So, S11 how do you get? By substituting x1, y1 in S expression. Okay, what is x1, y1? 1 comma 3. I am substituting. Chalo, substitute. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. In circle equation. 1 square plus 3 square, 2 into 1, 2 into 3 plus 1. 1 plus 9 minus 2 minus 6 plus 1. What else? Minus 8 plus 9, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3. So, PA into PB value is 3. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?